Hi, Ross Cantor here. Today I'm going to discuss how Lifepoint can help your EMR system connect with hundreds of labs and other diagnostic testing facilities. On the right side of this diagram, we illustrate a typical workflow where we have a single connection to a lab system, imaging, or other diagnostic facility. Once connected to our hub, we then integrate with any EMR system. To date, we've integrated with over 500 different systems to our large lab network. Our hub is designed to normalize inbound orders and outbound results, which speeds implementations and allows for infinite amounts of connections. On the left diagram, we're illustrating how we can conversely build a single connection to your EMR system with any laboratory. We make it easy on your team. We code to your specification, and integrating to our network of laboratories is easy. If there's a lab that's not within our network, we can then reach out on your behalf and integrate to them. We handle all aspects of the integration, including connectivity, development, project management, and 24/7 support. We're using various communication and data transfer methods for HL7, APIs, or even FHIR. We've built several custom APIs as well to handle things like compendium maintenance and medical necessity checking. Additionally, if your EMR system does not currently have an order entry module, we offer a web-based order entry and result tool that's available as an iFrame. Please contact us today to learn more, and please be sure to view our other videos. Thank you and have a great day.